Good morning, students. Hope you understand the concept of sickness. Why the industrial unit got sick, what are the symptoms, what are the causes of their sickness, and how they are going to affect the economy of the country. So, to revive the sick unit and to support the small scale industries, we have a institutional support. Institutional support will help the organizations to revive, to survive. The industrialization play a significant role in the economic development of the country. The term institutional support system generally refers to the economic environment of the industry, business comprising the authority, institutional, and whose decision and operational framework affect the life of the business. SSI, or you can say small scale industries, are essentially an Indian economy in terms of employment generation. It helps in foreign exchange earning, it shares the industrial output, contribution to national income also. Government offer a package of services through their specialized institutions and motivate the entrepreneur to take the advantage of these facilities and establish the enterprises. These packages include assistance in obtaining finance, help in marketing, technical guidance, or training and technology upgradation, etc. We have an institutional support which provide us three types of finance: short-term finance, mid-term finance, and long-term finance. If it is a less than 1 year, it is a short-term finance which is required as a working capital, temporary or seasonal variations को meet out करने के लिए जो आपको चाहिए. Then we have a medium term finance which is raised from 1 year to 5 years, which is required for as for a permanent working capital and small expansion, replacement or modification. Then we have a long term finance which exceed 5 years, and it is required for the investment in a fixed asset for expansion of the business, etc. These are the financial institutions. At all India level, we have a small industrial development organization, SIDO, National Small Industries Corporation, NSIC, Khadi Village Industrial Commission, KVIC, etc. And we have a various training institute also at all India level. Then we have a state level institutions like your State Development Corporation, SIDC, or you can say State Directorate of Industry, SDIC, District Industry Center, DICS, and we have a fund based institutions also. We support the small scale industries like SIDBI, Small Industry Development Bank of India, State Financial Corporation, SFC, commercial banks are there who provide various types of assistance to the small scale industries. So we cover one by one. First, Small Industrial Development Organization, SIDO. It is constituted in 1954 to develop support service for promotion of a small scale sector. The main objective of SIDO are to formulate policies for the promotion of SSIs, provide coordination of policies of state government, to collect or disseminating the information, to provide wide range of extension services through allied institutions, to offer consultation services, help in technological upgradation, etc. Then the service rendered by SIDO. There are various services that SIDO provided, like entrepreneurship development and management training, efforts for the skill development, preparation of feasibility reports for the different products, availability of tool room facility, provision for testing services, etc. Basic purpose, you can say, of this program is to identify the entrepreneur capabilities and motivate and train the entrepreneur so that they can easily set up their industrial unit. Various organization respective to provide trainings, small industry services institutes, National Institute for Entrepreneurship, small business development, National Institute for Small Industry Extension and training programs are set up under this. And SIDO prepare a project profile related to wide different products group. It contains detailed information on the product manufacturing process, marketing potential, quality control and standards, investment requirements, you can say availability of raw material and machine, etc. And the main function of this testing center, which is set up by SIDO and field status, are to provide a certification facility for quality assurance. It increases the marketability of the product being produced by SME. So, all these facility services are provided by SIDO. Next institute is National Small Industry Corporation, NSIC, which is set up in 1955, and the main function of this institute is to supply a machine, equipment, provision for financial assistance, assistance for arrangement of raw material, establishment of technology transfer center, arrangement of marketing assistance, priority in government and purchase programs. The main objective of promoting and developing SSI, it has two schemes in this context. One is your hire purchase scheme and second is your lease scheme. Under hire purchase scheme, it arranges indigenous and imported machinery on an easy installment, and under lease scheme, 100% financial facility are available to small entrepreneur, which enable them to diversify and ensure technical upgradation. Then financial assistance provided for marketing, bill discounting, purchase of raw material, etc. And supply of raw material, import of raw material. They provide the supply of the scarce resources also on the priority basis. Then SSIs are interested to avail a facility for, you can say, technical acquisition, adoption and upgradation. Then technical services centers are established by NSIC in different parts of the country to provide diverse technical support to SSI. It ensures adequate margin and return to small entrepreneur also. It encourages standardization and quality control for the product of SSI, and it assists in development of brands, that is making a product more marketable. It ensures effective advertisement, publicity of the product of SSIs. These benefits include supply of tender form free of cost and freedom from security deposit, exemption from payment of earnest money. E-commerce portal is also set up by MSME, and under this the NSIC has set up an e-commerce portal exclusively for MSME. This site will provide a platform on which MSMEs can exhibit their range of product, get branded certification and close deal with the counterparty abroad. The entrepreneur will get the opportunity to procure a market information and participate in the tenders also. It also have a portal which provide B2B or B2C services, business to business and business to customer services. It will have a call center support also, trade assistance also. It will have a outline national and global tender notice and alerts also. Now the next is a khadi and village industries. Basically, khadi and village industries commission are established in 1953 with a primary objective of development of khadi and village industries. And basically, khadi village industries have a wide range of activities which include training of artists, extension of assistance for procurement of their raw material, marketing of finished products, arrangement for manufacturing and distribution of improved tools, you can say, and equipments and machinery to produce on a concessional terms. KYC, KVIC generally provide assistance to a khadi and village industries which require a low capital investment, ideally suited for manufacturing utility goods and using local available resources. They are mainly specified villages industries such as processing of cereals, pulses, you can say matchstick good, edible oil, soap, beekeeping, etc. KVIC policies and programs are executed through State Khadi Village Industries Board, registered under the Society Registration Act 1960, and Industrial Cooperative Society, registered under State Cooperative Society Act. Activities involve innovative type of work such as developing new industries in hilly, backward and inaccessible areas are undertaken by KVIC directly. Then we have a training institute also, like National Institute of Small Industry Extension Training, Hyderabad, which support in training, consultation, research and education information services. Then we have a National Institute for Entrepreneurship and Small Business Development in New Delhi, which conduct a national and international level training programs in different fields and disciplines. Then we have a Indian Institute of Entrepreneurship, Guwahati. It focuses on Northeast for entrepreneurship development. We have a State Industrial Development Corporation also. It incorporated under the Company Act 1956, and SIDCO are state-owned companies and in the state of India. Various SIDCO are Kerala Small Industrial Development Corporation Limited, Small Industry Development Corporation of Jammu and Kashmir, Tamil Nadu Small Industry and Development Corporation Limited. Basically, their aim is to aid a council, assist, finance, protect and promote the interest of small scale industries in the state, to understand and provide marketing facilities to small scale industries, to undertake procurement and sale of various raw material, to set up and manage raw material depot for effective and speedy supply of industrial raw material, finished and semi-finished to small scale industry unit, to maintain quality control testing centers, to develop industrial estate with the view to provide a basic infrastructure facilities. So this is all about some institute. Tomorrow we will cover the rest of the institute like State Directorate of Industries, District Industrial Centers, etc. Thank you for the day, students.